wish it never had to be the way I see this world running. Shouldn't have to be, 'cause now every man's cup is filled with hate and overflowing. Father and love, things are going wrong, yeah. It's wickeder than before.
So welcome everybody. Finally made it. Miami to Dominica. We're in paradise, baby. Yes, sir. We're in the sleepy little beach town of Calabishi, town where my mom grew up. Just living the good life. It's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a good week. All right, we made it to our hotel. It's very nice. It's right on the beach. I'm gonna go and walk down. I'm telling you, this place just puts a spell on me. It's just so green and beautiful and lush. Oh, wish we had a place like this in the States. But yeah, so the hotel has its own restaurant. I can already hear the waves of the water. Just look at this. Oh my God. Let's go down here to the beach and see what it's about. Wow. Okay, I gotta turn this camera around so you guys can see what I'm saying. Because this is just beautiful. There's the restaurant. Right on the Caribbean Sea. Look at this. Right here in the town of Portsmouth. Just beautiful. All right, so first night in Dominica in the books. Oh, got my coffee here. Look at that. Just wonderful. So, got a few things to do today. We got to go to the bank, change over some American currency to some Eastern Caribbean currency. I've been refraining from buying things just because I don't want them to see me take out a bundle of American money, get ripped off. So I got to do that. Got to get some SIM cards for the phones, buy some stuff to keep in our cottage. Probably going to get some rum later, some good rum. Just chilling out. Weather's great. I wish it wasn't so cloudy. I think the clouds are going to clear up a little later today. But yeah, right in the cottage behind me, we got some uncles staying. We're just waiting for them to get up. And I think we might head down to Roseau today. Might head down to the capital, just kind of mess around. I think we're going to try to get my Dominican passport down there because I would love my citizenship. And my mom's a citizen, you know, so why not? I'm going to finish my little coffee here, put on some clothes, get some breakfast, and we'll be on our way.
Where's my fork? Yeah, we came from Florida. Oh, from Florida, yeah. So I'm Cecilia Mate.
Cecilia Mate.
And then he's Urban Mate.
Okay.
Hi, Marina. This is my son, Physio. This is my son.
La da da da. Went to a dance last Saturday night.
Walking through Portsmouth. Had to get some SIM cards for the phones. I think we're gonna go hit the Cab Brits after this. And man, it's just crazy. It's just such a culture shock from where we live in California. It's just such a different way of life out here. But it's great. It's great. Enjoying every minute of it here. It's crazy how small these roads are. It's like you make one wrong move, you're in the road. These people, they don't care. Very crazy drivers. There's no traffic regulations here. Ah, here's the family. Hey, we all good? All right. So just chilling in Portsmouth. Are we gonna go swimming in the Caribbean Sea later?
Yep.
That's right. Can't wait to jump in, swim out. He's gonna skinny dip. I'm not gonna skinny dip. There goes more family back there following us. It's amazing how much slower life is on this island. I don't know, I think Ficio would do good here.
Yep.
I don't think Ficio's a city boy.
I'll build a house here.
Yeah, would you?
Yeah.
Where would you live, Portsmouth or Calabishi?
Portsmouth.
You want to stay here in Portsmouth?
Right in downtown.
Oh man, okay. Yes sir, yes sir. Portsmouth.
Been wrong, so many things we've done. We know we've gone astray from the straight and narrow.
Wait, where'd you go as a kid?
We're in the garden. You take those roads and you go way up there with the rest. Right here. It's called Colton.
Colton?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, but that's what that is.
Sorry. Yeah.
I'm putting a whole video down.
Which one is the which one?
Yes!
Okay, it's better now.
So we're driving through the rainforest. Oh, look at this.
Look at how that's an old
Look at
rickety
this.
bridge.
Everybody's stressed out because it's raining and these roads are gnarly. How you feeling, Ficio?
No, I'm fine.
He's not. He's holding on for dear
He's holding on
life.
for dear life back there.
I'm just holding the thing. I'm fine.
I think it's beautiful. I feel like Indiana Jones. Oh, see, we're close to Grand Bay. You can see the ocean.
Jason, we are in Grand Bay.
This is already Grand Bay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Grand Bay is very big.
I think it's
Out in
beautiful.
Caribbean terms.
Look at these roads.
It's my mama, not him.
Really. It was just a boy right next. Actually, it's even our cousin.
Oh, of course, it's
And I'm just cracking a joke.
But still, one of the first things that it taught us is that cousin and cousin make dozen. Because if you say that it's narrow and it's not as well paved and so on,
Yes.
you know, that's one criteria. We're talking about the paved, because I think the rest of the vehicles are okay. It may be.
All right, we made it to Roseau, the capital city of Dominica. Man, everything is so tight and close together. We're at the market, gonna do some shopping. Ficio's surviving. We're gonna try to hit the rainforest tomorrow, but in the city for today. Look at this view behind me. Just everywhere you look is just such a good view. I'm trying to find a cup of coffee. That's really what I want right now. But yeah, kind of a cloudy day today. Even when it's cloudy and raining, still beautiful. Still beautiful. Okay, we found some coffee. The cottage is really nice. Can't wait to get back. You're gonna stay. You're done driving, huh? So my mom is not having a good time driving on these roads. So I'm taking the car tomorrow. Can't wait to get some awesome rainforest footage. Found a really good French restaurant. Gonna get some coffee. And we're getting back on the road. Having a good time. Alright, so we're on our way. We are going on some adventures today. Got all the family with us today. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna go to the Emerald Pool, Trafalgar Falls, and
Hot Springs.
And the hot springs. Are we still gonna do that cave?
Yeah.
We're gonna swim? Okay, yes. We're going all over the island. Finally. Well, how do you call it?
T2 Gorge.
T2 Gorge.
Yeah.
T2 Gorge. That's where we're gonna go.
One of the areas that they filmed the movie Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, okay. One of the areas they filmed the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. So we got a lot of good sights today.
There's a pool up there which is called Chaudière Pool. When you overlook the pool, it looks like a frying pan.
Oh, man.
So they call it like Chaudière. Chaudière is like a Creole word for pot.
For pot. Okay.
So it looks like a pot. It looks like emerald below. That's how it got its name. Same way for it. Used to use the coconuts to make copra, so that they could make oil. Coconut oil. They used to use the whole copra house, one here and one here. That is where they used to roast the coconuts and stuff. For horses and stuff like that. Yeah. And this is the Hampstead River.
The Hampstead River.
Yeah. This is also one of the rivers they used for the movie of the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of the areas here.
That's where they put. Oh, all through here. Okay.
Right.
Literally right here.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now the big wheel, on the first part, when they won the big wheel.
Oh yeah.
On the beach inside
there.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
okay.
The wheel side.
They still want more. The more them get it, and the more them want it. Lord no. Some will even try to take his brother's life, yeah, just to achieve a bit. Talking about.
I just can't get over how beautiful this is. It's just so lush and green. Oh my goodness. I mean, we've been staying on the coast this whole time, and I mean, it's beautiful on the coast, but man, coming up here into the mountains, into the rainforest, it is just a different, it's like a whole different world up here. Just even the water in the rivers look different, man. So we're just making our way to the Emerald Pool now. It's a short little hike, and I'm definitely gonna go for a swim. They say the water's pretty cold, pretty refreshing, but I'm definitely jumping in. It's amazing seeing all the wildlife and the plants, the different plants and the vines on the trees. Man, it's good to be out here.
Where you coming from? I want to belong. Girl, you keep me strong. You are the other one. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you to go, can't tell you to stay. Just one of those days. Just one of those days.
All right, we made it to T2 Gorge. We're about to swim to an underwater waterfall. It is beautiful. We just did it and I had to go back for my phone and we're gonna do it again. I'm about to swim into this cave here and we're gonna get there's a waterfall inside this cave. Let's go. Swimming through this cave. On our way to the waterfall. All right, we just swam through the cave. You can see we came through this gorge here. Look at this. Woo! Made it to the waterfall. That's what's behind me. This is just amazing. All right, let's make our way through. All right, and to end off our excursions today, we just left the cave waterfalls. Peace out. Now we're gonna end off at the hot springs. We're gonna take a nice hot bath. And then I think from there, that's when we head home. Man, there's so much beauty on this island. I can't get enough of it. Can't get enough of it. It's wonderful.
To the mountain sing to the king. The whole dance are king now. Whoa. Look here. And they know business like a dancer business, a rubber duck business. I know.